Yo, yo. Oh, I don't have no music. There we go. What's going on, peoples? What's going on? What's going on? Oh, look at gold dropping right before the new hour's about to open. How's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's good. All right, so gold currently bearish on the daily. We broke yesterday's low. Yeehaw, hello, hello. We currently broke yesterday's low. Creating some nice downtrend structure. So this 4-hour candle dropped very, very late. Very, very late. This sell right here. So I said on stream, the 4-hour candles, they're going red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green. I didn't anticipate this candle actually like continue that, but I guess it did. It held at this 4-hour support, and then when it finally broke, it sold all the way down to like near 4,000. And now we're pushing back up. But I still think gold continues like this bearish trend. And we pull back a little bit more. We pull back a little bit more. Sorry, not that. Let's go to the 30-minute. So on the 30-minute, you can see we've just been kind of ranging, been bouncing around under the daily flip. So we drop down, we push back up. We're pushing back down again. So new hour candles just opened. We've created a resistance. So I think we come back down and fill this range down here. And we sell down to 4,002 again. So I'm going to leave this support where it is. I'm going to use the daily flip kind of like as a resistance and see if gold can continue this bearish structure and pull back down. So this is the current low here on gold. If we can close below and get a pullback, so I think we get some nice sells. Some nice sells. What's GJ saying now? GJ hasn't really done much today. Hasn't really done much. Daily's just about bearish. 4 hours, created resistance. We're pulling back, but we got these wicks to the downside. Yeah, GJ's just ranging. GJ's just ranging. Yeah, nothing going on with GJ. And NAS, I was looking for some sells earlier, but I do prefer, so I actually did catch some sells and got out. But I do like to trade NAS after NY open. But look, we broke this low, so really this is the supply zone right here. That's the supply zone right there. Let's see how this plays out.
Look at gold. Never mind. I don't like when it breaks these previous highs. You need a nice clean downtrend structure. Oh. Is that working? Right, so we have any news today? No news today. Nice easy day we should have today. Nice easy day we should have. Nice easy day. Gold stopped me out earlier when I'm in a buy, and now it pumps. Oh man, this is in a trade for 20 minutes. Is that like the longest trades you've held so far? 20 minutes. That's a shame. That is a shame. But look at that push as well. This price action this morning on gold hasn't really been great. It's been a very slow push up to the daily flip, then this pullback, and now this candle's just popped up out of nowhere. Hope we don't get like another rangy day or a really late move. Yesterday's move was pretty late. I mean, look at this. So I had some alerts. I had an alert down here, and you know, we kept tapping it. So tapped it at 4. I was like, okay, maybe we're gonna break now. I look back, gold's back up here. I had like 40.77. Kept coming back to the daily flip. And then it tapped again, heard the alert go off, and then I just saw it drop. Just drop. Sells from around 45 area. 45, what's that, 45? I think it will go down today. I think it's going down today. Yeah, I'm still quite bearish on gold, to be fair. I'm still quite bearish on gold. I do like the idea of gold sells. Daily's bearish. We broke yesterday's low. Only thing I don't like are these, is like this wick here. Like these wicks. Gold's been closing with long bottom wicks, but I mean, we have so much time left in the day. Also, so my target was 40. First target was 40.25 for the sells, which is this broken resistance here. Next target would be 39.26, I believe it was, just a bit higher, 39.26 ish. Now these candles, these daily candles, they've pushed back into this range. So if you can imagine, this is the range from this resistance to this support. We've pushed into the range, but we haven't closed back into the range. We haven't closed back down here. So, you know, two things could happen. We could either respect that old resistance and push up and range above it, or we could close back in the range and then sell through it down to that lower target that I had. But as long as the daily stays bearish, it's kind of like yesterday, as long as it stays bearish, I'm looking for sells. Just need a nice setup now. My pen. Just need a nice setup for the sells.
Okay, that's good. Perfect. Echo, what's going on? What's happening, Echo? Right. Our gold came up to 40.45. You in these cells, Haroon? Is that really tap that level and drop back down? That would have been a nice catch. No, I missed it. I was eating my sandwich. No, the cells do look good from here. Got nice 5-minute resistance. Respected this little 5-minute resistance here. Let's do live chat. There we go. Oh, it's a crazy 5-minute candle push up though. 130 pips. My goodness. My goodness. What a push. What a push. That would have been a very quick scalp. Super quick scalp. Yeah, my fave fast scalp. Yeah, man, that would have been like, what, quick 50 pips, 5 minutes. 60 pips. I understand why you like it. In and out. Sometimes you don't need to hold for too long. Alright, is it gonna keep pushing up? Break this previous high? Or are we gonna come back down? Fill the range? Came back to your entry. Are the sales still valid? It's been trying to break that high all morning. Listen, gold has not been able to flip bullish on the daily. Daily's been it's a very small top wick where it pushed up to start the day, and it's just been dropping ever since, or bearish ever since, I should say. Not dropping, because we did have this push up, but yeah, it's been bearish ever since. So it's either gonna push up, make a longer top wick, or gold is going to just stay bearish, refill its bottom wick, which is still like 400 pips away. Not bad. Rosie, hello, hello, hello. Nas is chilling in the supply zone. GJ's still in that range. Some more shitty price action today. This is a massive 15-minute support. Another ranging day. Yeah, I actually didn't take no trades yesterday. By the time gold sold yesterday, it was 7:30. I don't trade this late into the session. I watched it just do all of this nonsense, come back down to the support, push back up. I was just like, nah. Didn't have a nice entry. Even using supply and demand, I didn't really see a good setup. Didn't get a nice retest. Like, I went back over the price action for the day, and nah, it just wasn't great. Wasn't great. So normally I like to see, did I miss something? Was there potential at some point for a trade? So supply and demand, didn't see anything. Even this, even a 30-minute, sells at support, breaking the low. It just rejected this support too many times. So yeah, I didn't take any trades. Just watched it fall without me right before market closed. This is insane. Such a late drop.
Hey.
Yo. What's going on? You scared me, I'm not gonna lie. I was like, what's that? What's good? What's good? What's good?
How's it going? How's it going?
Let me.
You're talking about that drop that happened yesterday?
Quiet. Hold on, it's a bit delayed because I can only hear you through the stream. There you go. Now it's live. But yeah, man, quiet so far. Gold is back to ranging, back to its BS,
Not when I wake up.
Oh wait, hold on. Un momento. There you go. What'd you say?
Not when I wake up, it wants to range.
Man. It's not pushing above this daily flip.
really not pushing above this daily flip. Oh, that's no longer valid. Let's see. Now, one thing with this NAS looking for the sells is there's a 4-hour support right here that's been holding. So it's like I'm in two minds about the sells. Two minds. But I am bearish. If it can break. Hopefully it does something like what gold did yesterday. Break the support and then just dump. Because gold really dumped.
Yeah. Man, that was so annoying how late that drop happened.
Oh my god.
Oh, man. I was trying to hold so long.
And why I think it dumps. You're talking about we'll look for scalps then. You're talking about NAS. Yeah, after I like it, like I said, after market open, that's when I like to mess with NAS really. That's when it starts moving. So I can wait, but you know, I still like to mark it up beforehand and see what's going on. And check it out. Right, what's gold trying to do, man? Gold is just up, down. Again. I'm not gonna lie, this price action bores me.
So some things, mind you, I just woke up, so pardon the voice, I'm like 25 minutes fresh up. 25 minutes fresh up. I try not to stay up too late. I was trading Asian session.
Uh-oh. How'd that go?
It actually went pretty good. I caught the sells from 40.50 and let me see. I think I closed at 40.07.
40.50 to 40.07.
Yeah. I caught two from 40.50.
Oh, nice.
40.07, 6.60.
Oh, you caught the sales all the way down.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Only because I had saw this. I felt like gold was going to play into divergence, and once we were down, like started pushing lower, we were so low that I'm like, we have to go towards the low of Monday.
Yes, yeah.
And once we were able to do that, I just couldn't wait anymore. I was so tired.
Good catch.
Thank you. But now
I was gonna say, have you done your markup today? You haven't done your markup yet?
No, I'm like doing it now. Look, I got my my worksheet open.
Cool.
I feel like that worksheet is what keeps me like kind of grounded too.
This 30-minute candle has been moving 150 pips. It just opened, made a little bottom wick, and then just shot straight up. But we're not pushing above this daily flip. If we can break 40.50, I still don't even know how far gold goes, to be fair. I'm still kind of bearish on gold, but if the daily wants to make a longer top wick, then maybe up to 40.78.
I like that. There is 40.73 on the M30. There's a candle that happened around, I want to say this is like 1:30 my time.
No top wick.
No top wick.
Yep.
No top wick. This area that we're at too, if you look on the H4, this is where we had a lot of wick rejection, not last week, but the prior week. And we got a bullish engulfing from the H4. Yeah. So we have already went lower today, which we could still push lower, right? But I'm interested to see how we continue to act from this range, like, because right now, like, we're pushing out of this zone.
I know, right? And what a push this is.
What a push it is.
This is a massive candle. 1,000 pips. No, more than 1,000 pips. What am I talking about?
I had put a short
170 pips. Damn. And it's still moving. Let's see now. We're back at the daily flip. We either push or reject again. What are we doing, gold?
And I should have woke up like at least 40 minutes ago.
Seen some things?
Yeah, seeing a little bit of things. Sometimes I throw that fib on there just to see like how, like even for this H1, even though we are in a downtrend, but we had this like little pullback.
Yeah.
We're at the Asian highs. We're pushing out of Asian highs.
Oh yes.
I wouldn't even be surprised with the buys, honestly. Even though we were in bearish structure now on H1 and H4 after that drop.
Oh look, we broke the 4-hour high as well. Broke that previous 4-hour high. Let's see if we could stay above Asian highs. Because gold, every time gold's pushed above it, we've just sold right back in. But we didn't come all the way down. We sold a little bit, and now we're pushing back up out of it. So very interesting to see how this plays out. Very interesting to see how this plays out. I just hope we don't get more ranging, man. I can't take this ranging around the daily flips. If this happens again like yesterday,
oh, that sucked.
Every time I looked, I kept peeking back at gold. Like I'll have a tab open where I can just see the prices. And I'll be looking back and I'm like, yo, is it frozen? Because sometimes I'm like, I just saw this price. It's been at the same price. Every time I look back, it's in the same place it was before. Oh, it's pushing.
Oh man, it's pushing without us.
Always the way. I want to see if it closes back above 40, 53. Like if it closes back up in that range that it struggled to break out from. Yeah, I want to see if that happens. Remember what I was saying yesterday? I think gold is going to range, and I wouldn't be surprised if it broke out of this range, came back in, pushed up, broke back. Do you know what I mean? I can see gold having a big range, and there being lots of fake outs.
It happened a lot yesterday, the pushing and pulling. Yesterday was moving like a bank holiday, honestly.
Yeah, yesterday was ridiculous. Yesterday was ridiculous. It was uncalled for. Let's see now. Let's see. We got what, 3 minutes to this 30-minute candle closes. Oh, that's the 15 I'm on right now. That's a huge support forms right here. If we can close up here. GJ is just a dud. I'm sorry, GJ is just so bad. Alright, Goldie, 2 minutes. Ooh, that was a little drop. Little spike. Alright, no, does gold want to close above Asian highs? Or are we going to sell back into it? Where is it? 40, 45? It's got to get another 30 pips lower if this Asian range is going to hold.
And I see overnight we broke those we broke the weekly low.
Broke the weekly low, the daily low. But these, I don't really like the look of these daily bottom wicks. Like there's a lot of the bottom wicks are quite long, like rejection. And I was saying earlier, it didn't close below that daily resistance that I had as a target, 40.25. So it's kind of like a break and retest, but it hasn't actually closed back in that range below. So if it does close below 40.25, then I think we get sells all the way down to like 39.20.
Okay.
But if it holds above this area, then I think we could get a push up at some point. Don't know when.
It's like just retesting that broken resistance.
Yep. And closing above it on the daily as well. Alright, how are we closing? Alright, so we're closing just above Asian highs. Strong bullish candle. Are we just gonna get a push up? Come on, go. Tell us where you want to go. Still closing below the daily flip though.
When you look at structure, what's your last structure points for like H1? Or do you do like structure points and stuff like that?
Not really using H1. I don't know why. It's just not my favorite time frame. It's just not my favorite time frame.
No? Okay.
I literally skip. I go from the 4 hour straight to the 30 minute. I literally skip H1. But it's pretty similar to the 30 minute anyway. Like I've got a low at 4,002. And I use the 30 minute because it's just a bit more information.
Okay.
So for me, it would be 40.32 as the last higher low. And then before that, 4,002 for higher lows. If gold is going to continue bullish. If gold continue bearish, then I don't really like to use the daily flip at where the daily candle opened as a resistance. But it kind of is at the moment. Because it's a bearish candle after a bullish candle. So as long as we stay below the daily flip, then gold is still bearish structure to me.
Okay. That's why I asked you, because when I was looking at H1, I'm like, that where we opened at on the daily, it did give us the push lower. So on H1, that should be considered like the lower high because it gave us a lower low. But because it's also like barcoded,
I know, right? That's the thing. It's throwing me off too. That's the thing. This is not the cleanest.
So then it's making me think that, all right, since it's barcoded, should I push up the level to the lower high being at 40.72? It's like 40.73 area. Up
here, yeah. I mean, it does look cleaner, and then we did get the strongest push down from there as well. But it just wasn't the last push down.
I know.
Yeah. It's still right here where it is now. We've still got a new resistance pretty much at the same level anyway. Right at this daily flip, so I'm still taking it for a resistance.
Okay.
And a low. And if we close above, then I'm gonna see. Then it looks to me like a change of structure.
Yep. I was pushing.
Finally. Is it going to pop though? Or is it just a retest of this broken support?
Dang, that M30 was nice. That M30 rejected off of a fib level too.
Oh, is it? What, for the buyers?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I actually like throwing those fibs on. I like throwing them. I would say I use them on most time frames. Yeah.
Okay.
M5, I would use it for entry. And then M30 and H1 are pretty good, like New York session. H4 would be more long term, at least the day
Okay.
or the next day. That fib would be good for. But when I threw the fib on M30, I see that it rejected that 38.20 area. It's like a doji right there.
Okay.
Hold on, let me see if I can share my screen. I just realized I didn't have it up there.
We'll go be pushing. We'll be pushing.
Pushing. I'm telling you that 73 area looks nice. I just hope we get it. And we're in it. All right. Could you see my screen?
Yep.
All right, cool. So this chart looks a little cleaner because this is just my fib chart. But when I woke up, as soon as I see like us make any type of, hold on, how do I draw?
This thing is moving.
Bro, go. What are you doing? Trying to see how
It's got places to go.
Hey, it's moving like it. As soon as I see anything like this, or this, I always throw a fib on.
Okay. That's
When
your signs.
Yeah, so when I saw this, when I first woke up, I didn't see this. This candle wasn't here. This green candle. So I did like this. It just made it to this 27.
Damn.
Now
this is a nice push up.
Very nice. The next level is this 76 area, which would bring us near this candle over here that doesn't have any top wick at 73. Let me make that. Damn, it's at 64.
Man, when I say this thing is moving, once it broke back into that range, that's it. That's it. Just popped.
And then like it's small, but if you look here on the H1.
Oh, Haroon was looking for those buys earlier. Stopped him out. And then it's just tearing now. Yes, gold is the worst. Damn.
Oh my God.
Like, give us a chance to get in.
Yeah, it's going straight to it. I see it's playing out already on the H1. H1 has reached its fib, the last fib level. Oh, that sucks. Oh. How big was that candle? We opened at 40.32.
And just
right now it's at 40.67, 66.
Hourly candle went crazy. Should have known it was gonna push once it started. Once it engulfed, the 30-minute engulfed, the 350 pip 30-minute candle. I mean 1 hour candle right now. Insane.
Right. Let me switch back to my main chart, see what's up.
Crazy business.
Crazy. What does that make H4 look? How does that look here?
And then it drops right back down. Gold, what are we doing here? What are we doing?
Games.
Big time. Like it was just a little pullback.
I'm so tired of the crazy M5 candles, you guys. I don't know what to do. I hate it. I hate it so much.
They're huge. They're actually so big. Like this
Yeah.
candle was 130, 140 pips. You know, just an easy day. Yeah, man, horrible price action. Horrible. No, not horrible price action. It's only horrible because it left without us.
Yeah.
That's the only reason I'm not fucking with it. But I still think it's gonna go up though. I want it to get to 40.78. I want it to push all the way up.
This is that area that we struggled with yesterday. Well, I mean, it's pushing past that, but we struggled at this area yesterday. That 40.55.
Oh yes,
That's the reason why I took those sales last night. Up and tap that area.
Yeah.
Something I had noticed was, I'll take some stuff off the screen real quick. There was some divergence that happened last night. Once I see we get like a sharp peak, you see this sharp, I'm going to move the RSI. Look at M30, this sharp peak right here.
Yep.
When we got that and then we had pushed up, and when we opened, I was just like, okay, first we opened with a gap. This is a small little bear candle. I think the top it went was like 54. 54. Well, okay, we're not far from the 55 area. I felt like, I'm not gonna say the person's name.
Yeah.
But I definitely put my cowboy hat on. I definitely put my cowboy hat on. And I was planning those sales to at least this area of like 40. It's like 40.10, but it was always like 40.11. I was going that low, and then if we made it that low, then past 40.07.
Okay.
Now the divergence happened, but I feel like it wasn't the. I mean, obviously it was kind of strong. It pushed here, but you see it down here where this part is lower than this peak here, but it's not lower down here.
So that retests. There goes my plan for sales. It retests 55 and up we go. Man, I still like sales though. I still like sales. I don't think the sales are over just yet, to be honest. I don't think the sales are over yet. I still think we could come back down. This, to me, gold is making a longer top wick because we barely had a top wick today.
Okay.
We barely had a top wick. But if this 4 hour, it depends on how this 4 hour closes in the next 17 minutes. If it closes back in this zone that it broke out from, then I'm thinking gold will push up some more. If it closed back in the area that we were in yesterday, I think we can push up. But also, if it stays below 40.73, then the next 4 hour candle could just make a lower high, because we're not actually transitioned to bullish structure yet.
The last lower high for me on a 4 hour is 40.73. So I've got my eye on that level right there. I think a break, a longer top wick was needed for gold. Definitely. Let's see what NAS is doing. NAS is ranging. I'm not surprised. Waiting for that market to open. So let's see what's going on. It's a waiting game right now.
Man, I'm sad I didn't wake up early enough to catch that fifth move.
Don't you hate when that happens? When you, yes. Don't you hate when you miss a move because you're sleeping?
And I was sleeping good, just rolling.
But I mean, at least you caught your Asian session sells or Asian session moves, so it's not like, you know, you missed one move because you caught another one.
Yeah.
There'll be more moves later as well, man. Benny said gold's confused. I'm confused now too. Man. Yeah, this market is a bit confusing right now. See what this 4 hour candle does. How it closes.
Out of that zone.
Man.
Out of that zone.
The trades I wanted have gone. Oh, shit. Yeah. I mean, those initial sells that you were looking at, Haroon, were nice. From 40, 45. That was a nice quick scalp. That would have been a nice quick scalp.
Do you think that we give the weekly some more top wick after that rejection we had last week? Not higher than last week, but something.
I think gold is going to be bearish this week.
Okay.
Because if what they're saying about NFP and all the other data,
what they're saying?
Oh, what they're saying, like the jobs market is not very strong, and obviously the inflation isn't going down. Those are the Fed's two main objectives. So if they don't have a strong jobs market and high inflation, they're going to keep the interest rates high, which is going to be bearish for gold. So I think once that's confirmed if that's confirmed with NFP numbers, then I think we're going to see gold sells for NFP. That's what I think, because that means that in December they're definitely not going to reduce the interest rates.
Okay.
And that's what all the data is about, right? It's about what are they going to do with interest rates. So from what they've been saying, I read a statement from one of the Fed speakers, and they were like, our objectives are we're moving away from the Fed's objectives, which is not good. So that's what I'm really looking out for. Is NFP just going to reinforce what they're saying?
Okay, and add to the gold bear movement.
Because looking at the weekly, we do have that long top wick. We don't have much of a weekly top wick. We just made a weekly bottom wick today for the previous weekly candle. I think we continue bearish. But the daily would need to close back below 4,025 for me to say, all right, yeah, we're going to get some sells.
If that happens today, then I'm definitely leaning more into some gold sells. 4,080 for gold sells. Yolanda, hello. You're saying 4,080 for gold sells? I would like gold sells a little bit closer than that. So we have a 4-hour resistance. So 40.73 would be my first level. Just a retest of that 4-hour resistance. Well, yeah, that's it really. And then maybe the highs, 4100s. If gold can push all the way up.
Oh, come on now.
What happened?
It's just pushing. It's just pushing so crazy. I feel like it's gonna get to that 40.73, and without us, I just look back. It's at 40.68. Such a hourly candle.
I know, right?
I could see us having a bearish week for gold. I could definitely see that. We've already broken last week's lows, so that's already set like some type of precedence there. But, I could also see us getting some type of longer top wick on the weekly.
A longer top wick? Not
extremely long though, but just a little bit more
of a top wick. Yeah, feel a bit more of that range.
Yeah, in a little bit of that range area.
Yep.
I could see that. Not married to that idea, but I could see that.
Cool. I mean, we still have a lot of week left. We have a lot of week left.
Yep.
Alright, so now we've got some nice bullish structure on the 5-minute, broken the highs. No, I don't see any setups yet, not yet. But we've got 9 minutes. Let's see what this 4-hour does. What's GJ doing? GJ's coming back up. Good old GJ.
Why are we getting NFP on a Thursday?
That's a good question. That doesn't usually happen, does it?
No.
Maybe because of manufacturing PMIs.
Yeah, they weren't trying to move PMI around.
Yeah, because that always comes out same 20th, 21st, 22nd every month. Can't wait. See what happens. Ain't had NFP in a minute.
It's gonna go wild.
It is, isn't it? And what's gold doing? Gold is chilling around this area now. We just need the top wick. At least just give us a top wick for that previous 30-minute candle. And then gold, you're free to do what you want after that.
Oh, it's going for it. It is pushing for it, man.
So my thing is, if the 4-hour wants to continue, if you're going to continue bearish structure, then this next 4-hour candle should make a lower high. Like, we shouldn't close above 40.73 on the 4-hour, and we should come back down. But we could just get a bottom wick and then gold just blast off.
I'm
ready for either one. Whatever you want to do, Goldie. I keep looking at NAS, but gotta wait. Where we go in gold? Alright, here we go. Last 5 minutes. That's where we're gonna get the push. That lovely push. That last 5 minutes of the candle.
And then when I look back at structure, right, for H4, I don't consider the like the last lower high is kind of up there. Like this barcode area, I don't consider. I can't put a structure point on a barcode area.
Nah, because there's no. It's not structure, is it? It's just consolidation.
Right. So
No,
like, I feel like the lower high point is like up here. Not saying it will go back that far, but I'm saying like that's where I feel the structure.
Wait, where did you say?
This area right here on the H4 it's like that doji that we got at like 4190. That is like the last area, the last lower high point to me that gave us this push. Is this no?
Cool.
And that's really not even. That's not even that because it's clear. So it's really confusing. Now that I look at it even more.
Ah, God. Look at this 1 hour candle, man. This 1 hour candle is ridiculous.
If we come back a little bit on the 1 hour,
370 pips.
I wonder will it like retest if it was to continue to go up. I wonder will it just retest this Asian range, like right above it, like a little
pullback,
wickies, like some resistance, because that H4 coming out of that zone. I mean, it's not really strong, but it's something.
It is strong.
Yeah, it engulfed, gave us a good push up on that.
Decent push, yeah. Two big bullish 4 hour candles after breaking the daily lows. This one's 480 pips.
After breaking the daily lows.
This one's 400 pips. So yeah, we've had a very strong push up. Very strong. Look, 700 pips. Is that 7 or 6? 700? Yeah, 700 pip push from the lows. A very nice push.
And this hour is the one that made that H4 candle.
Literally, just one good push all the way up. Come on, Goldie, push.
Hold on, Sherlock got a tattoo.
Oh yeah, I was talking to her when she was in the shop.
What?
You know, we be up early.
Oh my gosh, I see it.
Courtney got a matching one. But her one is.
Is it?
Her one's
is
on
it
her
smaller?
forearm.
This is big.
No, it's Naze's one's big. Naze's one's on her forearm like this.
She got tatted on her arm.
Yeah. Wait, did you not see the picture? Did she
I'm
say
looking
the
at it
picture?
right now. Okay, first of all, this looks like a leg, but what?
No,
And
that's her arm. Yeah, it's got it on her arm.
yeah, this is what happens when you don't keep an eye on your siblings. They just be out here doing whatever. What?
Yeah. And then Courtney's one's on her forearm, I believe, but it's a lot smaller. You know, commemorate the moment. You should have seen what she wanted to get. This is mild. You know, Naze's brain. this is mild. Alright, I think we're just creating a bit of a top wick for this 4-hour candle, which is good. Just give us a bit of range before we close. Wouldn't want it closing with no top wick. In fact, let me split screen this.
What?
Alright, so we didn't quite reach 40.73 to get that top wick, but we created a decent wick. It's like a 50 pip top wick on the 4-hour. Now, if we break this high, I think we push up to the top of the range, you know. I'm saying it's pushing past all of this to the left, all the way to 4100.
I can see that. I'm not opposed to us touching. Yes, you know, I always look at, child, they don't hurry up and get by with all this these sirens. Looking at the daily candle, I wouldn't be surprised of it if we went up there, but also like I wouldn't want us to be engulfing up there. Like
Yes.
once we make it past 40.77, now we're in daily engulf range.
Yes, yeah. Look at this. Yeah, I want to see it. If it can push, then all good. Alright, let's see what Naz is doing. Ranging still. Ugh. These ranges killing me.
You know, on that R. Kelly gif where he's like, "Y'all killing me with this shit."
Yeah. When he's getting interviewed.
Yeah, that's how I felt. That's how I felt with gold yesterday when I saw it fall. I stopped eating and everything.
That was, I was like, I was hoping you was in it, but I thought, I didn't think you would be because it happened so late. I was like, there's no way she held all day. There's no way. I was like, there's no way.
Yeah, I held that trade over like 12 hours.
Yeah, it was ridiculous. It was long. It was very long. For it to happen, what, 2 hours before market closes it's insane.
And I remember where I got out at. I got out as soon as it started, like when it did this little on the hourly, this candle right here made me get out. Yep. It was like an hour before we opened for the new H4.
Ugh.
Sick. Just sick, y'all.
Haroon's like 12 hours.
12 hours. 12 hours. I said, I know this is catching 1,000 pips. I just know it.
It'd have been more than 1,000 pips, right?
No, because I got in at 98 and 95. I mean, to combined, it would have been. I got in at 98 and 95.
Insane. Benny said never. You guys don't be holding that long. Hey, it takes practice. That's it. Practice.
And it's easier to hold if the lot is smaller. I mean, it wasn't too small. I had 2.15s on, but yeah.
I just let it push. Just let it push.
Just let it do its thing.
I think using a smaller lot size definitely encourages me to hold for longer because you want to get more out of the trade.
Yeah, and when you see a little bit more too, because my thought process yesterday was we didn't we didn't go that high. We have to be going to the low of Friday
Mhm.
because that's something I always mark down. What is our lows and highs of the previous day?
Mhm.
What's the flip? What's the engulfing point? Because then you kind of know what range you have to work in.
Yep.
Um, it just gives a little bit more information. So when it actually started falling, I was like, I know you lying. I know you lying.
And Asian range was kind of small. We weren't really pushing up to the highs.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I remember that.
It even struggled at the lows.
Struggled at the lows. It wasn't coming down to the lows.
Yep.
And then it just fucking blasted through it. Oh, gold, we're pushing. All right, we
Yes,
got a top wick.
got the top wick. Shoot, I was in that trade last night for like 6 hours.
Oof. I don't know how you do it.
Had to eat a sandwich, had to rest, I did some meditating. I did a bunch of stuff.
So it's a good distraction, I guess. Do some other things.
Yeah, I'm not too far from my chart, but like the first few hours when we were still by my entry,
Mm-hmm.
I stay at the chart and I might do some Sudoku.
All right, we definitely got a top wick for that candle now. We're tapping into that 4 hour support. Resistance to the left. Like the way gold is moving, it wants to keep pushing.
Man, I would like a little sell pullback from here, just so we can get in.
Yeah, just a bit of structure would be great. Just a bit of structure would be amazing now. All right, so to be honest, the way this is looking, I already have a demand zone because of how the way it's pushed up.
Yeah.
One thing with this strategy as well, I don't like to use, so say this was my break or structure point here. I don't like to use the same break or structure point as my demand zone. So like, if that was it here, because it's also the break of structure, that's one thing I noticed doesn't really work well.
Okay.
I would need a stronger push away. Yeah, I don't like to use it like that. That's one thing I noted down for my back testing. That never works well. Or it does. It works sometimes, but not enough. It doesn't work more than it works, basically.
Okay.
So yeah, I would say it
Odds
doesn't. Yeah. It has a lower probability. So yeah, I don't bother. Where's all my viewers today? They're on a break. They're napping.
getting that sleeping. Sometimes gold likes to give us that wick we've been waiting for, especially if it's on like M30.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes it gives us that wick and then just goes back on the other direction. Sometimes. Let's see if this is one of them.
Right. Just got to get past this 4-hour level. Let me put it in here. So, little resistance right here.
Once this breaks, gold is gone, I think. But if this holds and we flip bearish, then I think we get a lower high. So in fact, because we pushed above, I'm going to delete that one. Delete that resistor, that support here.
Bless you.
It's my sister in the kitchen. Downstairs.
Oh my gosh.
I know, right? That's how much this mic picks up everything. There she goes again.
Good mic. That mic is everywhere. You close the door all the way down the street, it hears it.
Listen, I hear her through my door, through her door as well. 2 doors.
Yeah, if it does continue up, I will hope. I still hope we get some type of pullback.
Yeah, that's what I need. I need just a bit of, if gold can. It depends on what the pullback's looking like, you know. It depends. Like, I like the buys. I just don't like the buys where we're at now.
Yeah.
But if we get a decent pullback to maybe, I don't even want it too deep.
Okay.
Not too deep.
It's coming back a little bit. Does that mean I hopped into some cells real quick?
Oh shit!
As soon as I start saying things like, "Man, I like a pullback from here," baby, I'm in.
That's the entry signal. That's the signal.
Real quick though.
Where are you thinking to get out?
You know, I would like it to come back to 55. If that's being too ambitious, perhaps. We also, I mean, my stop is tight too. We did just push up over 300 pips in the last hour.
Right.
So I would like us to come down just a little bit of that. Not too much. It's just something small. And if it comes too close back to my entry, too much ahead of it, I'll just close it. Because I see it pushing up just a tad.
I mean, if the 5 minutes continue this bearish structure is good. Not bearish structure, but the 5 minute candles trend down. If this 5 minute breaks that previous high, no.
If it breaks that previous high, I'm like, I said it, get me out of there. So yeah, it's pretty tight. Hold on real quick. What's at the door?
Bring you said gold pullback looks good from here if the H4 resistance holds. That's if it holds. 73 is the level right there. So if we get a pullback from pretty much where we're at now, don't have a setup for right here though. Not yet. There's no, because of the structure, I don't have nothing going on. So
Gold is moving, moving. Nah, it's going up, isn't it? Yeah, it's going up. Though it hasn't broken this 5-minute high. Another day sat here watching, mate. It's gold. It's not even random pushes, but it kind of is. Like this push up was just, I wouldn't even have taken a breakout as in a closure above, because if you look, got a closure above this resistance right here, and then we just blasted through the daily flip. But there were so many levels above it. It had that broken support, had the daily flip, we got this little minor resistance to the left, but we do have a clean range up. It just, yeah, this didn't set up for me. Didn't set up for me. NY session has not been very good to me recently. London and Asian, more so London, I catch a move, but NY has been either very late, like the moves happen. Ooh, we're pushing. So we've broken above that resistance there.
We had that daily engulfing point.
Oh yeah.
We've
got places to go.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see what happens at this little 30-minute resistance I've got. That's 40.78.
Oh, we blasting.
It said, fuck this resistance.
Fuck this resistance. I'm going to the top.
Okay, we said if not 80, then we're heading for 84 for a sell. Okay, looking at 40.80 for some sells. Cool.
Okay.
I'm looking at right here for some sells. If this level holds, I think we get a pullback.
That level above is so wicky. We had so many wick rejections in that area.
Exactly.
84.
Exactly.
Even it starts at this area we're at now. Well, we're like 73. So.
Yep. I don't know why I feel like gold is just gonna pop.
And blast past the wicks.
Yeah. I don't know why. I could just see it just flying. Because I want it, like, if gold is going to continue up, I'm looking at it passing all of these resistances to the left. So it kind of held at 40.73 for a bit, but now it's just like, nah, I'm going up. Oh, nearly at 40.80.
It is at 40.80.
Dum, 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 dum.
Let's see what's going on.
Literally no setups. I don't see anything. I don't see where I could get in either. But look at that, above 4080. Oof. Now still ranging. GJ slightly pushing.
Hold on. I tried to get on Forex Factory just now. It's the first time I got this. It told me, please unblock.
Oh, same. Oh, what's going on here? Please unblock challenges, cloudflare.com to proceed.
Scam me.
Oh, shit. Forex Factory got hacked.
They might lose me.
So you always got to have a backup. Got to have a backup.
FX Street.
Oh, FX Street is down too. Yo. Oh, it's Cloudflare. Oh no, it's the actual cloud source is down.
Yeah, it says Cloudflare.
Ooh. Investing.com. It's all gonna be down, isn't it?
Oh no.
Well, good for me that I have no news today.
I know, right?
Jeez.
Something like that happening.
That would have been a problem. Good thing we don't have any news today. Well, I mean, the news still would have happened. We just wouldn't been able to see the results.
Right. They better have it in line for Thursday.
Right.
Thursday and Friday, we got some heavy news.
They'll get it back together. So they'll get it back together. They have to.
Oh, yeah.
Cloudflare outrage causes error messages across the internet. Chaos online as massive Cloudflare outage cripples half the internet.
Oh, they know how to make a headline, don't they?
Man.
Cripples the internet.
Man. Guess they run all these sites. It's an American company that provides content delivery network services, cybersecurity, DDoS mitigation. Oh, might be a good time to buy their stocks. It must be tumbling right now.
Maybe. Makes me think about AWS. Remember that outage of like a month ago?
Oh, yes.
That's when I found out they were connected to a lot of companies. Amazon Web Services. Yeah. I didn't know they were a background giant.
So you never know who's behind certain sites, isn't it?
Yeah, like even at work, we were doing certain things. I was going to some vendor sites and just down. Amazon has their hands in more things than I've learned that I didn't know about.
Oh, big time. Big time.
A lot of these companies, they got their hands in different pots.
Mm-hmm.
Dum, dum, dum. Alright, so look, we're holding at this resistance, 40.78. On a nice closure above to continue up. If not, I could see a good little pullback.
Ooh, M30's closing soon.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, Goldie, what are you telling us? What are you telling us?
I hope gold gives us a move. I want to go lay down after this and watch this. I want to go watch this show before I have to really start my day. I've been watching that All Her Fault on Peacock.
The Kim K show.
Oh hell no!
Oh,
That's all is fair.
okay, okay.
Even though she has some heavy hitters in that show, I
saw it. I've seen clips and they've all been ugh.
I watched the first 10 minutes. Sarah Paulson, I believe is her name. She's gonna do her thing regardless.
Yes, yeah. She has got some heavy hitters in here.
Yeah, she got some heavy hitters in that show. I think Niecy Nash is a heavy hitter. After seeing her performance in that Dahmer.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that was good.
She's that. No, this All Her Fault is about that woman, this family whose son is abducted, and people just really start blaming her. Although,
oh damn,
it is all her fault. Some of it, not all her fault, but it's a good part of her fault. Yeah, like how do you let your kid have a play date at a house that you never been to, a family that you never really met?
Yeah, that's true. That's crazy.
Weird.
Yeah, that's very weird. What the hell?
Okay, go. Last 3 minutes of the 30-minute candle. Let's see what we do.
I know, right? It's holding. It's holding. I can still see this 4-hour candle flipping. I can still see this 4-hour. If we hold around here, if it doesn't push up, if this 4-hour candle gets a chance to flip, I think it drives down and we get that lower high.
Oh, this 4-hour closed at 65 and it pushed like that. I mean, opened at 65 and pushed like that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay.
Come on, Goldie. All right, 40 seconds. I can't remember the last time I actually took a trade on stream. Took a winner on stream. Shit, feels like it's been forever. Gold has not
Hopefully
been...
that changes today. But gold is giving us, I mean, it's not as bad as yesterday.
Yesterday was bad. Yeah, because yesterday was literally just sideways. At least today we've got a push up. I would like to see a push down.
Yeah, me too.
But not a major push, just a retracement. It's a little retracement. Oh, there we go. Got that new 30-minute candle. So we tapped into that resistance, pulled back a bit. If we respect this previous high and we start dropping down, I think we get a nice move. All right, go talk to us. Talk to us.
You know what's crazy? I just thought about. We're really missing the 4,000s, just chilling.
Like it's nothing.
Like it's nothing. I remember, man, do you remember when we were like, man, if we could just stay above 2,000? Those days.
Like it was nothing. That was a big thing. For it to even be above 2,000 was a big thing.
Yes. The 3,000 wasn't that long ago, and that rocked our mind.
Right? Yo, 3,000s came and went very quick.
Very quick.
Ooh, getting a nice little drop on NAS. That's it for market open. There we go. And the daily's bearish. Beautiful. That means the 4 hours now bearish too. Lovely. I might even get a sell on NAS before I get a sell on gold.
Oh.
I really like this structure though. And I should use the most recent low, which is not very nice. Well, this was the one I had before. I need a closure below. We might just get some push up.
Gold pushing back up.
Ugh. Yeah, gold wants to move up. GJ's pushing up too. Everything's pushing.
Oh, but then it just fell right back down. It literally pushed up 40 pips, just fell.
What, gold?
Yeah, I just saw it touch 80. Now it's back at like 77. 70.
Madness. Gold's all over the place. Did we break that high? Did it break the high? It like just about.
Just a little bit. Like just a little bit, it broke the high.
Bring. Need a bearish closure. Damn right. Just one bearish closure for some sells. That's right. Let's see if we can get a little pullback. Yeah, so I need a candle to close bearish. And then I can take sells from resistance. I couldn't take a sell unless... So we're getting a nice little pullback, okay. So if the 5 minute starts forming some bearish structure, then I could look for a retest of a supply zone just for the pullback, and it'll be quick.
Yeah.
It'll be quick. GJ's pushing. Oh, look at that 5 minute candle on NAS. Come on.
Let me see. Oh, good. Yes, wick up, wick down.
Man.
That's that work.
Man.
Oh my gosh. That thing looks like a monster.
Like it's been some weird price action this week, to be fair, on most pairs.
Somebody's account got slapped crazy.
Man. And
with
then,
a 5 minute whipsaw like that.
Listen, the only thing the only thing I don't like in particular about trading stocks, I mean trading indices, is that it relies on stocks. So you kind of have to know what's going on in the stock market. Just a little. Like with NAS100. Yeah, like with NAS, yeah, sorry. With NAS100, the biggest weighted company is Nvidia, holds like 10%. So if something goes on with Nvidia, you're gonna see NAS move crazy. It's gonna move in line with that. Do you know what I mean?
So when T start talking about the chips and them making stuff over here,
if it impacts Nvidia, then it's gonna impact the NAS. But then there's a few stocks that are what else? It's Nvidia. It's I think Facebook, Microsoft. No, not Facebook. Nvidia, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon. Yeah, Meta's part of it. Netflix, Tesla, Google. From what I remember, those are the top, like in the top 10. So any of those have some market movements, some movements. You're gonna see Nvidia do something crazy. But yeah, that's some nasty price action. Only thing that's moving in a solid direction is GJ right now.
It's pushing.
All right, gold. The thing is, with this 4-hour candle, if I'm anticipating it flip bullish, there's still so much time left in this candle anyway. Right? So it doesn't have to happen right now. It might not happen at all, but if it does happen, like I said, there's still, what, 3 hours left?
Yeah, it just started.
Exactly. For real. Literally just started. I'm gonna give it to 3 o'clock, but man.
Oh, you see that?
Yes, I do. I just watched the numbers. I see it. We're breaking.
Getting into that wiki area. Damn, it just fell back. This is just games.
It's horrible price action, isn't it?
Yeah, but about that wiki area, I guess to some extent it's to be expected, but
I'm looking at potential supply zones. I didn't really like this one here, but it did come back and retest a couple times, which is annoying. But alright, so in terms of a good supply zone, or demand zone, sorry. So I would like something like when you get the structure like this, you get a support, or even like a support here. This would be a good zone, because you've got nice bearish structure, got resistance, we pushed out of the zone, look, closed below, so strong push out of it, then a retest would be great. Where else? Like when there's strong pushes. Oh, this one right here. This would be a good supply zone. Now I would even use the wick up here, because it's the top of the range. Well, unfortunately price came back up. Where else?
M5 choppy diversions look like it's changing structure on the RSI. Choppy though.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see your screen.
Yeah. So like you see like right here, now we're down under these like RSI lows. It's still a little choppy. It's not like my best example of some divergence on M5, but it's something happening. Like right up in this area. We're barcoding up here. We've already we're below these lows. Yeah. after we came close to, what's the highest it went? 81, almost 82.
Yep. It's a
Which
perfect
is,
area to wick down from, because that 81, 82, that's where the next 4-hour resistance is.
yeah, in that area.
Mm-hmm.
That area. Haroon, where you at? I know you wanted to that area somewhere.
He did. He said 80 or 84.
Yeah.
He said 80 or 84, right, Haroon?
Because I'm here.
He wanted it a little higher.
Yeah. Yeah. It's weird because, and it's like so wicky. Like by the time I took my watch off, it's back like $4 more than when I saw it. Like it literally was just at 40.72.
Gold's moving crazy. Swinging.
A little M5 in golf, just a little bit.
But I like. See, I don't wanna marry these sells. I wanna pull back. Yeah, but this is really a good place to be pulling back from. It's just not given a strong pullback yet. But this would be a perfect place. But there's 4-hour resistance, SIS, both of them. This 30-minute resistance, we failed to close above. We're expecting it. We're wicking into that area.
Yeah.
Only thing is we broke the high. I don't normally like that.
Yeah, we did. I got 77 marked off.
Ooh. Okay, golds.
Are we going back to the flip? I mean, I'm ready for the dip.
About to pip and dip.
Pippin, that's literally what I need to be. I need to be more disciplined when I say like I'm going to be done for the day.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to look at the charts when I'm done for the day. If I'm done for the day, like I'm telling myself, be done for the day. Don't come back and look. Yesterday I looked, caught FOMO, got in, got smacked.
No.
Like, I don't want that today. Today, I want to enjoy my last day off before work.
No, I hear it. That's the worst part. And you know what? That's what it is. When you look back, when you're not supposed to be trading, or you say you're done, and you look back, and then you jump in, that's always when you learn a lesson.
Who do you think reminds me to look back sometimes? Who would you think it is?
Hey. I'm like, yo, did you see you in this cell? Did you get that?
I looked at my phone and you're like, are you in this cell? Oh, goodness.
Yo, we used to do something to each other. Do you remember back in the day? Yeah, I'll be like, oh, I'm out of this trade. I'm done. And what we do both when each other were done, we send messages like, price is at 20, 40, 35 now, 40, 12, 4,000.
Yeah,
we just keep sending like prices into our chats.
we just a mess. Both of us saying we're done. We're both done. But how do we keep knowing where price is at when we're both done?
I know, right? Fake done. We're fake done. Fake done.
That's funny.
Even when I'm done though, I still like, because I do my reviews pretty much at the end of the day.
Okay.
And I'm always on my PC, so I always have a gold tab where I can see gold price. So I can always see the gold price. I might not be looking at the chart, but if I see the price at somewhere crazy, then I'll look at the charts. And just to be like, what the hell happened? So I'm always, even if I'm not trading it, I'm still kind of aware of where price is. So I'll be playing the game sometimes with NAS100 and I'm just like, oh, gold just tanked. Like in the middle of our game. I'm not even trading it, but I'm still got my eye on the market.
Okay.
Yeah, definitely. But this NAS right here is not tradable like this at all. So I'm going to leave that. Gold came back up. 100 pips.
100.
This is nasty work.
It is.
This is nasty work.
I definitely got that 77 area marked up. This area that we're at right now, I would be surprised. We have a lot of time throughout the day, but I would be surprised if we closed above 77 today. Because once we do that, is it 77? Hold on. It's really 78. Let me move this up. This is the engulfing point for the day, 78. Change my notes real quick. I would be surprised if we close above that area. Wouldn't be surprised if we wicked above it, but if we close the day above it, that'd be surprising because
Above where?
Above 78. Because on the daily, it's a daily chart right here, right?
Yeah.
If we close above 78, that means we'll engulf this candle from yesterday.
Ooh.
So that would surprise me. I wouldn't be us wicking above it, like wicking, doing some wick work. No, that's okay. But if we were to engulf this candle and show bull power, then I would be like,
I mean,
oh my God, it's Tuesday?
It's Tuesday. What happened?
I'm going to watch Squid Games Challenge after this.
Did a new episode just drop or something?
It's the finale.
Ooh.
See who wins for 4 million.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Rosie said, if I'm done for the day, I have to close the charts fully. I hear that. I don't want to be tempted. I hear that.
I'm learning, Rosie. I'm learning.
Benny said 5-minute continuation pattern. Yo, do you know what? Yeah, the 5-minute continuation pattern kind of does play out, but it has to be a good, strong trend.
Like the first candle before the little continuation has to be big.
No, just like for me, if I want to take a bearish continuation on a 5-minute, it has to be like for the sells, I have to be in a downtrend. I have to be in a strong downtrend. Like I wouldn't. Yeah, it has to be making a downtrend structure. Like here, look, we've got all of these continuation patterns going up.
Oh yeah.
Oh wait, yes, yeah, you see it on the 5-minute. Yes, yeah.
The only one that wouldn't be like you probably want to take is this one, only because it was at that resistance area too. Let me take this off since we got that top wick. I saw M30 was making some good continuation patterns too earlier in the day. You see it here. It's not that good, but I pushed up to the top of my red area. That red zone. I got this red zone from H4. Child, this red zone is doing its thing.
This area, isn't it? Right? Yep. That's that level I like.
Yeah. Oh, it's pushing down.
Oh. Continuation patterns working out nice, I guess.
Go if you're going to shake. Now this is when I start to like really look at the H1 because of where we're at. This could be us coming down low, or it could be us getting a continuation pattern if it gives us a little bear candle. But I would love for us to come back down to like 40.55, 40.50, not so much, but 40.55 I would like.
So GJ's coming down. Poor GJ. What's GJ doing? I suppose it is. Poor old GJ. Where's GJ at? Yeah.
M30 pushing. We've broken the lows on M30. I should rather say falling.
Looks good. Look, engulfing that previous M30. Yeah, this is good. This looks good. It's broken that low. This definitely looks good to come down.
6 minutes left. Let's see what gold has in the tank.
Oh, because that last 5 minutes, it could just wick the fuck back up.
Bro.
I hope it doesn't. But I'm just saying it could.
It's what you got to prepare for, right?
Yep.
Little body on H1. I don't want to see that too much.
For continuation pattern.
Yep. But we got a few minutes, so hopefully it doesn't.
Yeah, that's a tough one. Hopefully it closes bullish. If it closes bullish,
then it's not really a continuation pattern to me. But weak bullish, doesn't have to close like strong bullish, just weak, and then still pull back.
Okay. Yeah, let's see.
We might get a 100 pip 5-minute candle.
Oh yeah.
Like the next one.
Where's that 300 pip candle I saw the other day? Oh goodness, that 5-minute was moving. Even yesterday, look at it. Opened. Well, not this wasn't yesterday. It was Friday. Oh, what's that? 61.
Go on, make your little top wick. Keep on coming.
Maybe we'll get some retrace of a little bit of this H4. Just a little bit of it. Oh. I want to go to the kitchen, grab a snack. I don't know what it's going to be when I come back.
Listen to a message. Let me go to the kitchen, come back. Gold's gonna be at 40.78 again. Alright, so this NAS pullback, this NAS drop, it's not very good. Because this would be the demand zone right here. Nah, you're good, you're good, you're good. This would be the demand zone right here, which... the supply zone, sorry. And it's huge. Because you used the last bullish candle before the drive down. This is not a regular candle. At all. So what I need to see is a pullback. So structure and then a re-break of the lows. And then I'll look for the supply zone if gold drives down, if price drives down again. Gold's at 40.70.
Shut up! What the heck?
Bruh, what's that, 120 pips?
Oh, look at that M5.
Nasty work. Alright, so yeah, now we're gonna wait for that structure right there. What did Haroon say? I can't read your message there. You said what joke gold is? I was in them cells. Oh, got stops out. Oh no!
Oh,
no. Oh.
I literally went to the kitchen and it changed 100 pips, bro.
Where did you get in? What price did you get in, Haroon? I'm not gonna lie, the best entry would have been either a retest of this resistance up here, like a retest of this 5-minute resistance. 40.80 would have been perfect, that retest. 40.78, that 30-minute resistance retest, or even, now this is a risky entry, but this bearish candle. So sometimes with a continuation pattern, if I see, once I see the second candle forming like that,
or closing, I get in straight at the entry, straight at the open of the next candle.
Okay.
I like the literal start of the continuation pattern, but that is a super risky entry that I don't normally like to take. I definitely won't take it on a 5 minute, but if it was like 30-minute, I'd like it. But that sucks that you got stopped out, because I still think this comes down some more.
Damn, how low did it come down? It came down pretty low.
Oh, we're not engulfing this previous 30-minute though. Was a risky sell, hit break even.
And it closed doji, like bull doji.
Oh, the 1 hour.
That's no good.
None of this is good. No good. None of this is good. This is all bad.
Oh, child. Oh, Drapiana. That's a little bit. Could just be trying to test those lows. If it doesn't break these lows, gold's gonna have it its way.
Listen to a little message. Man. GJ's man.
You guys hear me eating? Hope not.
I can probably hear it clearer because you're my ears. Nah, but it's not loud. It's not loud.
Hold on, let me find this down.
It's not loud. Are you eating grapes?
Does it sound like it? It is.
I can see you.
Oh, okay. Forgot.
Sounds like grapes. It's a grapey crunch.
Right, that's what I thought. And like, it is a good crunch on these grapes.
Love a good grape. Okay, gold. This is good. But look at NAS. Ugh.
Oh, that's a drop.
Ain't it? Ain't it though? But I can't use. So I was waiting for a break of this low from earlier, but then it started making like these lows here. But this structure is not very great for the sells. Anyway, so if I had a supply zone, it would have been this bearish candle here, which is it's crazy. This because it's the bullish candle.
Also, on the M30 for NAS, it looked like it on partial. It didn't engulf, but it almost did. Oh, we broke the lows.
Oh yeah, gold is dropping.
Oh,
there we go. 40.55.
Now that's what I'm talking about.
Right.
But how low? Asian?
I can see that. I can see that. Do you know what? This 4 hours bearish now. This 4 hour candle's bearish.
Oh, yeah.
I still see it going down further. I see this creating a lower high.
Talk that talk. I got it at 79. Please, what else do you see?
Yeah. I'm still saying 40.18.
48.
Mm-hmm.
God, almost
40.18. Yeah, 40.18. But in order for that to happen, it has to close back in Asian range. The daily flip, obviously, the daily has to flip bearish and close below the daily flip. If price holds above the daily flip and above Asian highs, then no. But if we continue to come down during this 4 hour candle and this 4 hour candle closes back in Asian range, then I'm saying 40.18.
It's moving fast. That's for sure. What is that Asian range? Asian range. Oh, it's at 45 Asian range. Okay. I don't usually use the 15, but I decided to put a fib on the 15. I don't know. You did say weak bullish for the H1.
What? I'll be happy if it closes weak bullish.
Yeah, you got
Yeah,
that.
because then it's not really giving continuation pattern. I don't know what about it, which doesn't make sense because it's closed bullish, but it's very weak bullish. So to me, it shows that price wanted to push up, it couldn't, and it's a bullish rejection off of that level. If that makes sense. It's weird. It's weird how my brain interprets it, but I do prefer a bullish closure to cancel the continuation in a bearish one. It's weird.
I would have this bull that type of bull candle often confuses me.
I'm not surprised, but I just, and then also, like for this candle coming down now, this candle's creating the resistance. All right, so I know another reason why. So if it had closed weak bearish, then that would have created a resistance, but it's a weak resistance that's easily broken.
Okay.
So that's kind of where the continuation comes from, because it is a resistance, but it's not a strong level because the body is not strong.
It was like a red doji like that.
Yes. Okay. Yeah, because it's a red doji. A resistance is like, for me, it's a bullish candle followed by a bearish candle. Is a resistance. So no matter how strong the candle is, it's going to be a resistance level. But if the candle's weak, it's going to be a weak resistance level, and that's easily broken, and that's why you get the continuation up.
Got it. I can see how you see that. Yeah, I'm about to get out myself. It might fall more. That could be the alert. I don't know. I'll just start pulling back up. I'm getting out of this.
Oh damn! You just yeeted to 40.63. My God.
Let me show you this thing with N15 real quick. Now, it's not my most trusted time frame, but look at this fib.
Oh, you said that motherfucker hit speed bump. Bye.
That motherfucker hit a speed bump. Look at this. Okay, matter of fact, I'm going to show you guys on this chart. So remember last time I was talking about how we go to 50 on this M15. Let me take off this. I'm going to do the fib starting down here, coming up here. We wicked over here by this 50. We're at this speed bump area. So like if it starts to close like under here, under 58, then I wouldn't believe in this fib anymore. Okay. However, if it goes around like above that area, like over here, I could see potential for it pushing. Oh, but that's if it does that. I don't use the M15 often. I found that to be kind of interesting that we went that low and wicked up.
Benny said nothing for me today. Yeah, can't buy or sell at the moment. It's playing with me, man. It's playing with everybody. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it here, man. I'm gonna leave it here. This is some BS today. Well, it's not BS. It's just
it's a little BS. It's a tad.
It's a little BS. It is. Like, and I don't wanna just jump into entries. You know, I don't do no cowboy shit for you guys.
You see me?
I see you tip the hat. I don't want to do no cowboy shit. But yeah, man. I'm gonna keep an eye on it. I see how it goes. But it's not looking good right now.
And once I get out the sales, that's when gold really gonna sell.
Yeah, gold ain't done. So it's not done. So if gold closes bearish, if you get a closure back in Asian lows, back in the Asian range, I see gold coming down to retest this 4-hour support, because we've already broken the previous daily lows. So I think we can refill that daily wick, that daily bottom wick, and then potentially, yeah, just at least retest that 4-hour support or come close. Yeah, if we stay above Asian highs, then I think we get stuck in this range again, which is, if we stay in here, like I said yesterday, this is the range that we're going to be playing with. And gold is going to break out, push back in. We might push up, push back down in this range. I've seen it happen before.
Oh, gosh.
Where we just literally stay within this 4-hour. We stay within the 4-hour range.
I could see us coming down to this red area. This is something we've touched each H4 candle so far. It's been like a key area for us.
Yep.
I could see it.
Yep. But that would be it. I don't have anything for NAS. Hold on, let me share my screen so you can see. So y'all can see. So yeah, back below Asian lows, Asian range. For sells down to this 4-hour support right here. So I'll just drag that. Can't be able to make a new one. Down to there. If we close back in. On NAS, or if we stay above the daily flip and gold stays bullish, then above this resistance, I'm going for gold to hit 4100. But this 4-hour to me looks like it's creating a lower high, and we're going to continue down. That's just my opinion.
Okay.
NAS, I need some structure on NAS. So we've got a support. I need a resistance, and then I need a closure below the resistance, and then I'll look for my supply. So just some bearish structure on the 5-minute for NAS. And GJ just getting a courtesy look because it's there. What you traded, crypto or Forex? Oh, Forex. Some gold, a bit of NAS, a bit of GJ. But no trades today. The market's marketing right now.
Yeah, I agree.
Nothing's going on. But yeah, say bye to Ash. Gold Pippin.
Guys, it's been real. Thanks for having me.
I know, right? Anytime, man. Anytime.
Yeah.
But yeah, peace out, guys. Thanks for joining. Back again tomorrow. Oh shit, do you know what? I might not be on tomorrow, you know.
What's going on tomorrow?
My brother wants me to house sit again. Like, wait for his delivery.
Is it a big delivery?
Last time it was a bed. Like,
Okay.
it's a new place that he's moving into, and he works during the week and blah 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 blah. So I was like, yeah, anytime. But that was before I had this PC, and now I don't want to leave it. I streamed from his house last time, but it's off my laptop. It's not very great. It's cold, and it's even colder now. So we'll see. But I'll let you guys know. All
right.
But yeah, guys, peace out, and I'll see you guys. Yeah, hopefully tomorrow. Shoot. If not, I might stream London session though, because it's pound CPI tomorrow. And yeah, last time I streamed pound news, I caught a gold trade, so that was great. that worked out well. But yeah, guys, peace out. See you tomorrow. Toodaloo. Bye.
Bye.